Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to another episode of Learn English Road, the podcast where we help you speak better English. One episode at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting topics, travel English. Are you planning a trip? Maybe to another city, another country, or maybe even your dream destination. Traveling is fun, but if you don't know the right English words or phrases, it can feel stressful. Don't worry, we're here to help. In this episode, we will teach you useful vocabulary and phrases for traveling, show you real-life travel situations with examples, and help you avoid common mistakes that many English learners make. So, get your headphones, your notebook, or just sit back and relax. Let's get started with Travel English Made Easy. Part 1. At the airport. Let's begin our journey at the airport. Airports can be confusing, so, here are some important words and phrases. Vocabulary. Passport, your travel document. Boarding pass, the paper or digital pass to enter the plane. Check-in, the process of getting your boarding pass and giving your luggage. Carry-on, the bag you take with you on the plane. Gate, the place where you go to get on your plane. Security check, where your bags are checked. Customs, where officers check your items when you enter a country. Phrases to use. Where is the check-in counter for airline name? I'd like a window seat. Please. Can I carry this bag on the plane? What time is the boarding? How long is the flight? Example conversation. Hello, where do I check in for British Airways?
Right over there, at counter C.
Thank you, I have one bag to check and one carry-on.
Great, here's your boarding pass, gate 22. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Saying, check in, as one word when talking about your luggage. The right sentence, I need to check in my bag. Not, I need to check my in-bag. 2. Confusing, carry on, with, checked luggage. A carry-on stays with you. Checked luggage goes in the plane's storage. 3. Not knowing gate and boarding time. Always check the screen displays and ask if unsure. Part 2. On the plane. Now let's move to the airplane. Vocabulary. Flight attendant, the person who helps you on the plane. Seat belt, the safety belt in your seat. Aisle, the walkway between seats. Turbulence, when the plane shakes in the air. Tray table, the small table in front of your seat. Phrases to use. Excuse me, may I have some water? Can I have a blanket? Is this seat taken? I'm feeling sick. Can I have a bag? How long until we land? Example conversation. Excuse me, can I have some orange juice?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Also, where is the restroom?
At the back of the plane.
Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, can I take a water? Say, can I have some water? Don't forget to say, excuse me, before asking. It's polite and helpful in small spaces. Part 3. At Immigration and Customs. Now, your plane has landed. Time to go through immigration and customs. Vocabulary. Visa, permission to enter a country. Immigration officer, the person who checks your passport. Purpose of visit, why you are traveling. Declaration form, a paper where you list what you're bringing. Nothing to declare, means you are not bringing restricted items. Phrases to use. I'm here for tourism. I'm staying for 2 weeks. Here is my return ticket. I have nothing to declare. I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel. Example conversation between officer and you.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long are you staying?
2 weeks. I'm flying back on the 15th.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, I'm come for holiday. Say, I'm here for holiday, or, I'm visiting for vacation. Don't forget your return ticket and hotel address. You may be asked. Part 4. Checking into a hotel. Now let's check into your hotel. Vocabulary. Reservation, your booking. Front desk, the reception area. Key card, the electronic key to your room. Room service, ordering food to your room. Checkout, leaving the hotel and paying. Phrases to use. I have a reservation under the name, your name. Can I see your ID? What time is breakfast? Can I get a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Do you have free Wi-Fi? Example conversation between you and receptionist. Hello, I have a reservation. My name is John Smith.
Welcome, Mr. Smith. Can I see your passport?
Sure, here you go.
Your room is 304. Here's your key card.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, I book a room. Say, I have a reservation. Don't forget to ask important questions like, is breakfast included? Do you have laundry service? Part 5. Getting around. Now, let's explore the city. You'll need to take taxis, buses, or trains. Vocabulary. Taxi stand, a place to find taxis. Fare, the price of the ride. Meter, the machine that counts the fare. Subway, metro, the underground train. Bus stop, where the bus picks you up. Phrases to use. How much is the fare to downtown? Please take me to the museum. Does this train go to Central Station? How many stops until the airport? I'd like a one-way ticket. Example conversation between you and driver. Hello, how much is a ride to the airport?
Around $30.
Okay, please take me there.
No problem. Do you want the fastest way?
Yes, please. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, I go museum. Say, I want to go to the museum. Always check if the driver turns on the meter. Part 6. At restaurants and shops. Now let's eat and shop. Vocabulary. Menu, the list of food and prices. Waiter, waitress, the server. Tip, extra money for good service. Bill, check, the total price to pay. Receipt, proof of your payment. Phrases to use. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken, please. Can I get the check, please? Example conversation between waiter and you.
Hello, welcome. A table for how many?
A table for one, please.
Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Just water, thank you. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, give me chicken. Say, I'll have the chicken, please. Don't forget to tip, it's polite in many countries like the US. Part 7. Asking for help. Sometimes, things go wrong, you may get lost or need help. Phrases to use. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm lost, where is the hotel? I don't understand, can you repeat that? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Can I use your phone? People are usually kind if you ask politely. Example conversation between you and a stranger. Excuse me, I'm lost. Where is Main Street?
Oh, It's 2 blocks that way.
Thank you so much. Part 8, Final Tips and Wrap Up. You did it. Now you know the most useful travel English words and phrases. Let's quickly review. Important places: airport, hotel, restaurant. Must-know phrases: I have a reservation. How much is the fare? Common mistakes: using the wrong prepositions or forgetting please and thank you. And most importantly, speak with confidence. People understand if your English is not perfect. What matters is your attitude. Be polite. Be friendly. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Thank you for joining this episode of Learn English Road. If you liked this episode, don't forget to share it with your friends. And follow us for more helpful English lessons. Until next time, safe travels. And happy learning.